If owning more properties created financial freedom, then most long-term investors would already be free. I think that you are going to agree with me, but many aren't. Not because they failed, but because they scaled without measuring. So when investors feel that they are not getting ahead, in other words, the growth is not enough, then what do they normally do? They buy more properties. More properties, more leverage, more exposure. And in doing so, it feels productive. But compounding works on the growth rate, not on how many properties you got. In other words, not on the unit count. So if each property that you've got, each asset produces a modest growth, owning 5 of them is definitely not going to multiply velocity. In other words, the growth rate will not go up. It's simply going to multiply complexity. That illusion where activity feels like progress, that is basically a structural blind spot that people have. And I call that confoculation. Now, confoculation is basically when effort replaces evaluation because you are measuring the wrong stuff. Now, before you ask me, but how many properties do you need? You simply need to ask, but is your current strategy fast enough? So in the next video, I'm going to explain what fast enough actually means.